I'm Malarkudi calling from Paramath Velur.
Malar, what are you doing?
I'm doing B.
Oh, you have lot of fans in your college, no?
Yeah, you're right.
So, you must be very beautiful. See, I found out it. Okay, just tell me about your family.
Yeah, if you want to know about my father, he works as a manager in a textile shop here
Oh,
itself.
nice. Okay, what song shall I play for
Can you please play an old melodious song for me?
Your name is Malar, so I'm alone with Malar. This song will be playing for you. Madam?
My God, where are you?
Madam, I am Prem. May I come in?
Come in.
Greetings, madam. Sorry for the disturbance. Myself, Prem, Roja TV Comparer.
Oh.
I'm here for an ad film.
I see.
Tomorrow in the ad film, I'm going to act with you only.
I've heard about your live program before. I've seen it also. You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Please take your
Yeah,
seat.
Thank you, ma'am. It's okay.
Actually, I only travel by flight. But here there's no airport, so I had to come by car.
I am your big fan, madam. You have done so many movies. I almost watched all of them.
Hey, you also drink, right?
No, madam. No, I don't want.
You drink or you don't?
It's okay.
Yeah, then take it.
How many people fainted after seeing your smile now? I'm also one of among them, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, enough, madam.
Here.
Thank you very much, madam.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I have lakhs of fans,
Yeah, I know.
but I can't keep track of who is where.
Madam, you're such a beauty. What a color. Just give me your hand, madam. Give it.
Why?
This is not just hand. This is a silk bed.
Hey.
Madam, I will fall at your feet, madam.
Hey, what are you doing? Get up! What are you doing? What is all this? I've been in this field for 10 years. I've seen all kinds of people from short heroes to tall. Why? I've seen latest comedians to multilingual villains also. You mean nothing to me. Shit. Now itself, you're growing stage. Try to succeed. Everything else will follow you at the right time.
What a beautiful place this is. I have never seen a location like this in my life.
Is it true?
What really? Shall I tell you something? I didn't came here for shooting. I came to see you.
What are you saying? I can't believe it.
You didn't believe me, right? I swear I don't know how to swim. But for you, I'm now. Leave me! I say leave me. You don't believe me now?
What are you doing, Prem? Do you love me so much, Prem?
I was born and brought up in Chennai. But my wish is to marry a good and beautiful girl like you. You're my girl. While we both are in this lonely place, it's very happy for me. I came here to tell this thing. I will tell this matter directly. Even if we call 1,000 people and conduct our marriage, on the first night, the 1,000 people won't be there. Only 2 people will be there between 4 walls. If those 2 people unite, marriage will have the complete meaning.
Yes, Prem. It's true.
Only then that night will become true, you know?
So, What does it mean for us to be here, Prem?
Still you don't understand?
No, I didn't understand.
If you understand, you can't know any matter. Hey, what happened, Malar? Why are you sad?
I've given myself to you. I don't have anything more to give you. The only witness for my loss is this Kaveri river only. Don't ever leave me, Prem.
Hey, I swear on this Kaveri, I won't leave you. Next time I will be coming here for marry you only. It's my promise. I'm leaving, Malar. Hey, why are you sad?
I lost everything. You earned everything. I'll be waiting here for you always. Please don't leave me. Prem, I'm asking you once again. Never ever leave me, Prem.
Don't worry, Malar. I will bring my parents and fix the engagement this month. Next month marriage. Don't worry.
I'll wait till you come.
Of course. Don't cry. I'll be back. Bye.
For the best.
What's in your hand? Is it a parcel?
This is an important parcel, Malar. I thought to give to you. Take this, Malar.
What? Is it some Diwali gift? It seems heavy. Take it. Coconut?
Are you mad?
Are you crazy or what? Why did you bring a coconut in such a big box?
Why you have said like that, Malar? This is the first coconut which I planted in the tree. You know that? That's why.
Why are you giving it to me? You should have given it to the coconut seller. He would have given you some money, right?
It's not like that, Malar. You are my god. That's why I just tried to. Malar, I will do anything for you, Malar.
Is it? Then do one thing. Keep this coconut on your head and roam this ground 3 times. This is the word of my God.
Okay, Malar.
Go.
Hey, see that?
Why should I roam around here? I got an idea.
I'm a fool. Oh, I don't know.
Sabi, Rupa, can you move aside?
what is he trying to do?
Sri, you also move.
How crazy he is. Hey, I don't know, man.
He's become
What
loose
is
here.
this?
Hey.
Hey, he's crazy, man. Really crazy.
One.
What the hell is doing? Hey, you're doing
Hey, what is he doing?
I have suggested him a lot of latest ideas. Still, he is trying old ways.
Crazy.
3.
This is not gonna happen.
That's so
He's a
ashamed
fool.
here.
How can he manage it?
Why should I roam the ground? You are my world. That's why I came around you.
Hey, Sabi, we cannot reform him. Come, let's go.
Sit down.
Hey, Priya, looking nice.
Prem, I'm a huge fan of yours. I never thought I will be sitting in your bedroom with you.
Yeah, me too. I never thought I will be with such a sexy girl. You're the better sweater for Ooty.
Then take this sweater.
Hey. Hey, you're so hot.
Hey,
Yeah.
she's looking at you, man.
right down.
Do something different.
I planned for something serious, but it will end in laugh.
Nothing will happen. Remove your shirt and show your arms.
Are you serious?
He will take care of the rest.
Okay.
Ah. Show it, man. It's a great
super, super.
opportunity.
Wow, such a body he have.
If you do what I say, you will be the most handsome man in our village.
See that?
Hey, look at him. He has lot of muscles. I can't believe it. He's
Shut
so
up and do your work.
Wow, what a handsome. Hey, if I get a handsome man like this, you know, I will just turn him around and hitchhike.
Oh my God.
Come on, yeah. Come. Hi.
If you didn't call me, I would have killed him. I was in such anger. Did you see the newspaper?
I saw. I know where you'll come after that. That's why I called the gym manager and informed him that Prem is coming to beat Ranjit.
Madam, I'm feeling very bad. I was enjoying my life. He put my name in newspaper and spoiled me. Madam, my father threw me away from my house. He don't want to see my face itself.
What is the solution to all this?
You have to tell me the solution, ma'am. You are the only person to help me. Don't leave me, madam. My life is in your hands only.
Don't worry, Prem. Kanchana is here. She will finish everything for sure. There's a saying that all actions have an end.
You cheated me, Prem. In order to get the Ritu married to you, you cheated me. Just because I trusted you, I got the correct punishment.
Hey,
no, sir.
hey, go there, go. I will inform to her. He is very fast. I think he is a very big playboy. Hey, stop. Don't go there. I have been here for 10 months. Not even opened the door.
What is there in the room, sir?
That's why I am telling. I never opened it. If I want to open, I will open. I am afraid that madam will get angry while open that. That's why I leave it.
Okay, sir. I will also leave it.
Leave it, man. Otherwise, madam will shoot you. Go inside. More reacting person.
Madam, may I come in?
Hi.
Hi.
Come. Sit next to me.
It's okay, madam.
You're so shy.
It's because of seeing you only, ma'am.
You're saying you're feeling shy ever since you saw me?
Yes, madam.
Look at this.
They said she's a madam. She looks like a miss.
See, I know what you're thinking inside. I caught you red-handed.
Oh, I have done something wrong. Sorry, madam.
See, Prem, more than the good guys, I love the bad guys lot